Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. For today's technique, I'll be making basil mayonnaise, which I use for a sandwich spread, but you can also use it as a glaze for roasting and baking poultry and seafood. Well, I'll let you get to the video. I truly hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you later. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Angel Culinary Kitchen, and Instagram at Angel Culinary Kitchen to get a sneak peek of what our next videos will be. Here is where I would have added some honey if I wanted to add a little sweet touch to my basil mayo. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this technique, give me a like, that's a thumbs up, share on all media platforms, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and if you are a subscriber, make sure you've hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new videos. Be sure to come back and see where I use this basil mayo. And please try to be the blessing in someone. As I leave you, I say once again, many blessings and much favor until we meet again.